Don't worry about failures. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. If you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to help them build theirs. If you're going to be thinking anything, you might as well think big. Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. The best way to prepare for the future is to create it. We all need people who will give us feedback. That's how we improve. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. If you want to make a good first impression, start with a good last impression. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Don't aim for success. If you want it, just do what you love and believe in, and it will come naturally. Treatment without prevention is simply unsustainable. Money has no utility to me beyond a certain point. If you think your teacher is tough, wait till you get a boss. When you have money in hand, only you forget who are you. But when you do not have any money in your hand, the whole world forgets who you are. It's life. If your culture doesn't like geeks, you are in real trouble. Don't make the same decision twice. Spend time and thought to make a solid decision the first time so that you don't revisit the issue unnecessarily. Patience is a key element of success. Life is not fair. Get used to it. Power comes not from knowledge kept, but from knowledge shared. As we look ahead into the next century, leaders will be those who empower others. We make the future sustainable when we invest in the poor, not when we insist on their suffering. Whatever is begun in anger ends in shame. Always forgives your enemies. Nothing annoys them so much. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. If you can't make it good, at least make it look good. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. If you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. I am not in competition with anyone but myself. My goal is to improve myself continuously. Success is 99% failure. Failure is only the opportunity, more intelligently, to begin again. Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they give up. When we are tired, we are attacked by ideas we conquered long ago. A high degree of intellect tends to make a man unsocial. Knowledge isn't free. You have to pay attention. To be rich, learn to avoid these 5 things. No one is. Avoid spending money on unnecessary items or luxuries that you can't afford. No 2 is, try to avoid accumulating high-interest debts that can hinder your financial growth. No 3 is, avoid making investments based on emotions. No 4 is, invest a portion of your income regularly for your future financial security. Avoid not educating yourself about personal finance, investing, and managing money effectively. Anyone who can make you angry becomes your master. It is very simple to be happy, but it is very difficult to be simple.